Top 9 conditions you can treat with coconut oil. Coconut oil, derived from the meat of mature coconuts, has long been celebrated in traditional medicine for its healing properties. Modern research supports many of these claims, revealing that coconut oil can benefit a variety of health conditions. Its unique composition of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, lauric acid, and antioxidants gives it a therapeutic potential in treating or preventing some health conditions or diseases. In this video we would explore some of the health conditions coconut oil is good for or can help treat. Let's get started. 1. Eczema, acne and other skin infections. Coconut oil has been a cornerstone of natural skincare for centuries. Its emollient properties make it an effective moisturizer for dry skin, penetrating deeply to restore hydration and improve texture. The oil's natural antibacterial and antifungal qualities make it a valuable treatment for skin infections like eczema, dermatitis, and fungal infections. By forming a protective barrier, coconut oil can prevent further irritation while promoting healing. For those with acne-prone skin, coconut oil's antimicrobial action helps reduce the bacteria responsible for breakouts. Lauric acid, which constitutes nearly 50% of coconut oil, is particularly potent against Propionibacterium acnes, the bacterium linked to acne. Additionally, its antioxidant content combats oxidative stress, which can exacerbate skin conditions. Its soothing qualities also make it an excellent remedy for sunburns, reducing redness and speeding up recovery. 2. Dandruff and hair growth. Coconut oil's benefits for hair health are legendary. Traditional medicine systems in India and Southeast Asia have relied on it for its ability to nourish the scalp and strengthen hair strands. Its small molecular size allows it to penetrate the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and preventing breakage. Regular use of coconut oil can reduce split ends, improve shine, and protect against damage from environmental factors like UV rays and pollution. Coconut oil also addresses common scalp issues. Its antifungal properties are particularly effective against dandruff, often caused by the fungus Malassezia. A gentle massage with coconut oil not only hydrates the scalp but also alleviates irritation, itching, and flaking. 3. Heart diseases. Contrary to earlier misconceptions about saturated fats, emerging research suggests that the medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, in coconut oil can have heart-friendly effects. Unlike long-chain fatty acids, MCTs are metabolized differently, providing a quick energy source without significantly raising bad cholesterol levels. Lauric acid, a major component of coconut oil, has been shown to improve the ratio of LDL, or bad cholesterol, to HDL, or good cholesterol, promoting better cardiovascular health. Some studies suggest that moderate consumption of coconut oil may help reduce blood pressure by supporting arterial health. Its antioxidant content combats oxidative stress, which can contribute to hypertension and atherosclerosis. 4. Obesity. The MCTs in coconut oil have garnered attention for their role in weight management. Unlike other fats, MCTs are rapidly absorbed and converted into ketones, providing energy while minimizing fat storage. This makes coconut oil a popular addition to ketogenic diets, where it aids in maintaining a state of ketosis. Coconut oil can also boost metabolism, encouraging the body to burn calories more efficiently. Some evidence suggests that MCTs may reduce appetite by promoting a feeling of fullness, potentially aiding in weight control. While not a standalone solution for weight loss, coconut oil can be an effective part of a balanced diet and exercise routine. 5. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Coconut oil has a soothing effect on the digestive system, making it beneficial for conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Its MCTs are easy to digest and provide a quick source of energy, reducing the strain on the digestive tract. Additionally, coconut oil's antimicrobial properties can combat harmful gut bacteria and support a healthy microbiome. For individuals with leaky gut syndrome, coconut oil may help by reducing inflammation and promoting the repair of the gut lining. 6. Alzheimer's disease and brain health. One of the most exciting areas of research into coconut oil is its potential to support brain health. The MCTs in coconut oil are converted into ketones, which serve as an alternative energy source for the brain. This is particularly relevant for individuals with Alzheimer's disease or other neurodegenerative conditions, as ketones can bypass glucose metabolism deficits in the brain. Some preliminary studies suggest that coconut oil supplementation may improve cognitive function in people with mild to moderate Alzheimer's. By reducing inflammation and providing an energy boost, coconut oil may help protect brain cells and support overall mental clarity. 7. Diabetes. Coconut oil may have a role to play in managing diabetes. The MCTs in coconut oil improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to regulate blood sugar levels. By providing a steady source of energy, it reduces the likelihood of blood sugar spikes and crashes. For individuals on low-carbohydrate diets, coconut oil can be an essential fat source, supporting metabolic flexibility and reducing dependence on glucose. Its anti-inflammatory effects also address chronic inflammation, a common underlying factor in insulin resistance. 8. Gum disease. Oil pulling, an ancient Ayurvedic practice, involves swishing coconut oil in the mouth to improve oral hygiene. The antimicrobial properties of coconut oil help reduce harmful bacteria, particularly Streptococcus mutans, which is linked to tooth decay and gum disease. Regular oil pulling with coconut oil can also reduce plaque buildup, freshen your breath, and support overall gum health. 9. Vaginal yeast. Coconut oil has gained attention as a natural remedy for vaginal yeast infections due to its antifungal properties. The primary active component, lauric acid, disrupts the cell membranes of yeast like Candida albicans, which is the most common cause of vaginal yeast infections. Studies have shown that coconut oil can inhibit the growth of Candida and reduce symptoms such as itching, burning, and irritation. When applied topically, virgin, unrefined coconut oil can soothe inflamed skin while creating a barrier that prevents further infection. Its natural moisturizing qualities also help alleviate dryness, a common symptom during infections or after antifungal treatments. Coconut oil can be safely applied to the external vaginal area, but it's recommended to consult a healthcare professional before using it internally or as part of any treatment regimen. Coconut oil is a versatile natural remedy with applications for numerous health conditions. From supporting cardiovascular and brain health to improving skin, hair, and digestive well-being, its unique composition of MCTs, lauric acid, and antioxidants makes it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. While it's not a cure-all, incorporating coconut oil into your daily routine, under the guidance of a healthcare professional, can offer profound health benefits. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need these tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, natural health hacks, because taking care of yourself should feel as good as it looks. See you in the next one.